Alright, well. What's up, YouTube? We're here, Hickory Log Reservoir, with my friend Cody. He's not a fisherman, really. So, what's the biggest bass you've ever caught?
Biggest bass I ever caught was probably by accident. And it was probably like 8 ounces.
Alright, so hopefully we can break the PB, his personal best today. So I would start with a spinnerbait, the green rod. So I would cast at this bank, like count like 3 seconds, and then just start reeling and kind of switching your rod tip a little bit.
Do I have to flip it over?
Yes, so reel in a little more line. You want maybe like a foot or two hanging. So now grab it with your index finger, and then flip the bail open with the other hand.
Okay.
Alright, and then you cast and release your finger.
And then flip it back over?
Yeah, and then flip it back over, or just start reeling and it'll do its thing.
Okay. How fast?
Like this fast, maybe.
To make it look like it's actually moving.
Yeah, give it a little twitch here and there.
What's the advantage or disadvantage of the different types of rods?
Like the actual rod itself, or like this versus that?
Yeah.
So the bait caster is just easier to do repetitive casts, and it also goes farther because yours comes off of a spool like that. This one comes directly off.
Okay.
But you also have to manage it, control it a little better.
Bloop.
Oh, there was a blow up.
Yep.
You're casting that direction. Where did those fish go?
That was funny. They're like,
Right away.
They're like, a week ago, this dude caught me 4 times.
Yeah, there was a little blow up right over there. There. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go back over there. That's where we saw all the action.
And nothing.
Oh yeah. Look, they're up on that bank right now, and in the middle. There's a school coming up to the surface. Bait fish.
Dude, first it really don't make me think they caught 10 fish in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I think that was a stock pond.
I think that was their backyard.
Because it's almost never that easy.
Especially with what they were using.
Yeah, they used everything, like just whatever. And they almost all caught one.
Well, the twins didn't.
Try something different.
You sure you haven't caught these guys like 50 times?
Yeah, I'm sure.
How many, what's your record for most in a day?
I don't know, because they lose count after like 15. I don't really know anymore.
Oh, I got a bump.
Did you?
Oh, I've got a bump. Oh, man. It felt like, that's what pregnant women feel like. It felt like a baby kicked my stomach. That dude said he'd been out here since 8.
There we go, fish on.
Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I would do. Come early and stay all day.
What do you eat for lunch?
Ah, he came off. I saw him. Shucks. He came right off this tree, this bank. There's another one.
Yeah.
Back to back. Come on.
There he is.
Don't come off this time. Decent.
Look at that.
Decent largemouth. Barely. So he just swiped at it. What are we gonna call this? 1.25 pounds? That's what I'm calling it. Let's get official. Alright, the official weight for the first bass. 1.42. Bigger than I thought.
Nice.
Here we go. So let it sink to the bottom.
You won't put one of these on line and try to catch a catfish. Oh, got him. Oh, it might be a tree. It is. I felt it, so I said, giant 50-pound log.
I see it. Alright, reel almost all the way.
Okay.
And then kind of like poke it. There you go.
Oh. Look at him jumping right where you threw it. Ooh! Dang. How many fish they got to eat today?
I don't know. Good question.
I mean, jeez. can't see color though.
Bloop. Look. Oh. Look. Oh. You saw that bass
look
just
at
come
him.
up?
Yeah, he just came right up to, oh. The bait's right here.
Yeah. Just gonna let this sink to the bottom.
Where?
Oh yeah, yeah. I see some squirrel on there. Oh, there's a fish.
Got him.
Off the bottom. Oh, this one feels decent. He's fighting. He's over too. Oh no! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna flip him in.
Man, I could see his stomach.
You saw that one? That was a little chunker. That was definitely over 2 pounds. So he was on the bottom just chilling. I was jigging this thing. Man, so much regret there.
Looked like a scene from Jaws coming up.
Could have been the best one for today too.
Oh, I had a bump right at the end. Literally felt just like when my kids would kick my wife's stomach. It's exactly.
Yeah, that's it. You hate to describe it. They're still showing right below us though.
Because their leader came back and was like, yeah.
That bait had hooks.
Bait had hooks, yeah.
Our hookup ratio is off today. I already lost 2. Oh no. This is not a giant fish. Is this a fish? I think it is, but it's so small. A little dinker.
Big enough to eat your bait. Or
Yeah.
think that it can.
I don't think it's impressive. Ski it on over.
Look at him.
Largemouth hooked on the bottom of the lip.
He didn't put up a fight at all.
Alright.
Oh, got him.
Come
Fish
on.
on. Fish on. Ooh. Hey, it's a fish.
Alright, don't reel it all the way. Alright, fling it in the boat. There you go.
Look at that guy.
So you want to do the honors? So, look at that.
First bass in like, I don't know, since I was in like middle school. What?
This is your new PB.
Yeah.
You want to weigh it?
You think it's a pound maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, you got any guesses? Big money guesses here?
I'm gonna say 1.01 to make me feel good.
0.92.
Hey, that's a PV. 0.92. I'll take it.
Do you want to release it? Just grab it tight.
Got
It's a little Velcro.
See you, bud. See ya.
Boom.
Caught one. 0.92.
So what were you doing?
It literally hit it the second the bait hit the water.
Come on. Somebody bite it.
Oh, it looked like he was. Got him. Fish on.
Alright. It's still on.
Don't feel that big. Let's see. I was ready for him this time though.
He's better.
Ooh.
He's a fighter.
He is a fighter.
Alright. Oh.
Hey, oh, he's bigger.
Oh yeah, new PB.
All right. Crack that 1 pound mark.
I think so. Alright, chill out, bro. What are you guessing this time?
I think it's more than 1.1.
His
1.01.
head's bigger. 1.14.
Oh, I'll take it. See you later, dude. Oh, they are so easy to
Hold.
hold.
Yeah.
They're really easy.
As long as they're not flopping.
Yeah. All right, bud. See you later. Thanks for letting me catch you.
No.
You're in a limb. You sense it.
Come on. I don't want to go right on top of where the fish are.
Fish on.
Oh. That one looks like it's actually fighting.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah.
Don't reel it all the way. That's a good one. New PB. Every cast. Oh, you might have big fish.
Ooh, he's thicker.
Oh, he's angry. 1.28. 1.25. Alright, you gotta hold him out.
Oh boy, look at this.
Towards the camera.
Make him
Bam.
look bigger.
Looks huge. Alright.
Alright, buddy. Whoa! Go, go, go. Here we go.
So every time you've got a bite, has it been when you're jerking it, or when you just let it go and you go to jerk it again and you feel?
Yeah, it's right before I jerk it. I jerk it and then I feel it get tight and then I
Set the hook.
yeah. Fish on. Oh, I hit him! Gosh. Fish by his tail. I mean, fish on. Oh, he got me. Nope, I got him. Oh, I know I do have a fish.
Oh, you got
I do have a
bait?
fish.
Let
I
me
have
see
a
that.
fish.
That is a huge one for here.
Fish on. You can use that live.
Let me just document this. I've never seen such a big bait fish here.
That's why they're excited right here.
Ooh, is he gonna live?
Uh-oh.
Let's try something. Let's see.
Huh?
Live bait fish.
Live bait. Look at him. Look at that little dude. Kind of chubby around me.
It worked.
And he got fed.
This is the first live bait freshwater fish I ever caught. Cool.
I think he was like 0.8.
Yeah, he's not even a pound.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a tree. Great. I'm probably gonna have to break it off. That's all the way at the bottom. You see this drop off?
Yeah.
Those fish are hanging
Yeah,
out
they're hanging right by it.
on the drop.
Bloop.
And back over there again. Woo! Big boy. Come over here.
It's like the Cirque du Soleil of bass. Thought I got hit. Alright, there's a fish finally. Yeah, swallowed it, looks like.
Ooh.
Where's that bait? I don't even know if you guys can see this anymore. It's down in there. It's not bleeding. We'll try it. What we got? I feel like they've died off. Well, I'm bad about making outros, I guess, but that was about the end of the day. It was nice to take somebody inexperienced out and catch some fish. It seems like those schooling bass are getting a little bit more picky. I mean, I need to go find some new baits to start throwing at them, but they are still there. They are still feeding, and I will continue to chase them until they're done. So hope you learned something, and thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it.